ChuChu TV
Storytime! Deep in a dense jungle, there lived a family of parrots in their nest. The mother parrot had laid her eggs in the nest. The parrots said to each other, "The rainy season is around the corner, and the little ones are about to be born. Let's go collect and store food for feeding the little ones." The parrots flew in search of food. A snake that lived in a mud burrow under the tree heard the parrot speak. The snake said to himself, "Let me feast on the eggs while they are gone." The snake climbed the tree and crept into the nest. It looked at the eggs with an evil grin and started feasting on them. The parrots, after collecting food, returned back to their nest. They found the broken eggshell and they started to cry. A monkey hunting for fruits came by that side. Looking at the parrot's cry, the monkey said, "Sad to see you both in tears. Tell me the story. I am all ears." The sad parrots replied to the monkey, "While we were gone in search of food, my eggs were eaten by this snake with a hood." The monkey, hearing the parrot's story, felt sad and it asked the snake, "Why did you eat the eggs that were in the nest?" The snake, with a mean mind, hissed and snapped at the monkey and said, "How dare you! Question me once more, and I will bite you." The monkey sits all sad with the parrots. Monkey gets an idea. Monkey calls a crow. "Caw, caw!" Monkey then narrates what had happened and tells the crow, "The princess removes her jewel while she takes a shower. Can you fly into the courtyard, pick the jewel, and drop it into the snake's burrow?" Crow agrees to the idea and said, "Caw, caw! I'd be more than happy to do that to get rid of the mean snake. Caw!" The crow then flies to the castle and sees the princess taking a shower. It sees the royal jewel on the table. The crow then swoops down, grasps the jewel, and flies towards the snake's burrow. The maid of the princess notices it and yells out to the guards, "Crow thief! Crow thief! Stole the jewel! Catch! Catch!" The guards hear the maid shriek and start to run behind the crow. They notice the crow drop the jewel into the snake's burrow and perch on the tree. The jewel landed on the neck of the sleeping snake. "Wow! That's a lovely jewel." The guards with their spear dug the snake's burrow and the snake came out. The guards asked the snake to hand over the jewel and the snake said, "This is mine. Finders keepers and losers are weepers. Na 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 na." The guards got so angry and killed the snake with their spear and took the jewel away. The parrot, monkey, and the crow let off a big sigh. The parrots thanked the monkey and the crow for their help and lived with their younglings happily ever after.